Alright, in order to edit my line item table, I go to expense detail table, I just double click it, I say edit table, and I start to develop my table. Let's start with date of expense. It will be data type of date, and I add another column. Let it be type of expense, and let's make it to be selected from a table, from an external account. Let's select it as drop down, and I already developed the table at SQL Server Management Studio, and here is the query, and I just copy the query, and I go to my data source. I write the query, and I choose the data source as eFlow, and all right, it's done. And I keep on developing my table. Date of expense will be week, and yeah, it's ready. It will be, sorry, not pop-up select, but drop down. That's fine. And another column is here, expense details, a small explanation about the expense. Another column is cost of expense. It will be numeric. And maybe another column will be, let's say, the user can add an invoice bill, let's say attachment, and select it as document. So the cost of expense, let's make it n2 two digits after the after zero. And if I want to show the total amount below the table, I have to select the column, and let's make all these required, and I say okay. Let's check again. What is gonna the initiator see at the task form, the requester, the date of expense and expense number in read-only format, and he will or she will fulfill the expense details, the table. All right, let's save this process, and let's activate it, and let's check it at eFlow. And here is my process. I say start. Okay, the first task form was selection of type of expense. I only developed the expense part, so I select expense and I submit it. When I submit, there's a new task form. Now it's an expense, and I can just enter the details. Please enter your expense details. Requester, date of expense, and expense number, all read only. And now the date of expense is ready, and type of expense drop down ready, expense details, cost of expense, and maybe an external attachment I can just select from here. That's fine, it works. Let's go back to designer, and let's continue to design our process.